Our region is the Caribbean, and fresh water is critical in their life. There are seasonal rainfall patterns, temperature fluctuations, and tropical storms. The biome in the Caribbean is the marine. Many impacts have already occurred, such as saltwater intrusion, freshwater shortages, ocean warming causing organisms to die, habitat loss, human health issues due to high temperature, infrastructure being destroyed by sea rising, and marine resources declining. Projected future impacts for the region are predicted to have more intense and more frequent weather anomalies. On page 37 of the NCAA, it states while there is much uncertainty in global climate model predictions of tropical cyclone formation, climate models project an increase of frequency of strong hurricanes, category 4 or 5 in the Atlantic basin. Also, drought projections for Puerto Rico are expected to increase in intensity and frequency because of temperatures increasing and precipitation decreasing. The main environmental changes expected to affect the Caribbean are a rise in sea level and temperature rise of 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels can increase the likelihood of extreme hurricane rainfall by 4 to 5 times in the Bahamas and 3 times in Cuba and the Dominican Republic. In Latin America and the Caribbean, it is expected that 29 to 32 million people may be affected by the sea level rise because they live below the threshold. Due to projected future impacts, the Caribbeans are taking into account the distance from continental resources, pressure on marine and coastal resources, high volume of food and fuel imports, and limited human resources. They are taking collaborative actions with state, federal agencies, academics, and climate experts to prepare and manage droughts. Caribbeans have been researching climate assessments of vulnerability, risk mitigation, etc., and designing early warning systems to allow them to prepare so the storms are less catastrophic, also giving more political attention to response and recovery of the storms and adaptation. By making these adaptations, the Caribbeans can reduce the shock of the aftermath of the disaster.